everyone. Did you know Revit has two kinds of grids? Have you ever seen or ever wondered what the purpose of these grids are? So, in the annotation categories, here there are two kinds of grids available. First one is grids that we usually use in our projects. Second one is guide grids. So let's see what is the difference between the two. Okay, so here I am drawing the grids. We are explaining grids. For the first, these are grids. These can be printed with in the sheets. These are used to control models. We usually align our columns with these grids. Okay, these are visible in plans, elevations, sections, and in the newer version of Revit, these are visible in 3D, like the levels. Okay, so here I have cut a section. Look, these grids are visible in section 2. Okay, so these are the first type of grid, and so let's see the second type of grid, that is guide grids. Guide grids are not visible in this view. Here, this is the option that creates guide grids for us. So this is not enabled in this view. So we first have to go to the sheet. Here I am in the sheet. Now see, let's see if the guide grids are open here or not. Here guide grids are not open. Let me see. Oh, so I have already created one. So let me delete it and create one new for you. Create new guide grid. Let's see plan sheet. I am naming it as plan. I need to align all my plans with this. So this is just a reference. I can place my views on the sheet like I can align all my views as per this. Like many of the times we have problems. So what we do is we draw a DL usually to align these circles of the level. But now guide grids are very helpful in this. We can place it like this or like this. These can be aligned with the help of guide grids. Guide grids are usually not printable on the sheets. We cannot see guide grids on a sheet that we printed, and these are actually not required in the sheet. Okay, so that's all. Thank you for the video.